Good day for all. Welcome to my YouTube channel, Easy Life. This video shows how to create Facebook account in 1 minute. First you need to search Facebook in Google. If you have account you can log in using its username and password. If not you have to create new account. I will sign up new account here. You need to give your details first. Your name, email address and password. You need to give matching username, otherwise they will not allow to create new account. Then they will send code to your email for confirmation of this account. You have to go your email and find code. In here code is 18,673 it mentioned below of the email. Then enter the code and select continue. Then you will have your Facebook account. First you can upload your profile picture and cover photo for your account as video shows. Now you can share your photos, videos or any other thing through this account to public. You can find new friends or page through search here. You need to log off using this for security of your account. But you should remember username and password of your account. When you want to log in again, you can log in using that password. Thank you for watching video. Please like and subscribe for more videos.